DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector.
Before we do this, we're gonna jump in on the next topic. Yeah, man, Skippa, Mozart. Yeah, man, we're down with Skip Dan. You see me, Skip Dan, you know, man. I was gonna make with some hit and some bangers, you know. Believe, no, man. At night time, you know, man. You see me, Bob, you know, man. Yeah, man. Skippa always make some banger. Been a minute since you had to skip them, you see me. But the dog dropped a new track. I think he dropped it yesterday. Mozart. I was gonna get around to it, but something happened to me that I don't know what's going on. I said, I'm not going again. You see me? I said, but yeah. And then Mozart, I check it out and see what dog I deal with. Two no one the stream I got too long still, you know. You see me? So I might should I do a 2-hour stream or a 1-hour stream? I don't know, gang. Might do just an hour stream. I don't want to get too long because people ain't gonna watch out the whole 2-hour stream to see the song name. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Skippa, they were on them Mozart. We check it out and see what dog I deal with. They don't know Skippa, bad artist, bad track, bangers, all that good stuff. We not all vibe much longer. Yeah, man. Skippa, Mozart, let's get it.
Crazy. Nighttime. Boy.
You gotta be lying. Skippa, you playing the piano, my nigga? Hold on. Hold on. Oh, Lord. Nigga, Skippa out here playing Mozart, nigga. Come on. Hey, where that mask from again? I think that mask from a horror movie. You see what I'm saying?
Crazy. Nighttime. Boy.
Who Skippa think him is? Who that Skippa think him is, bro? You ain't playing that track, Skippa. Come on, let's get it.
Nighttime. And smooth. And smooth.
What movie is that mask from, bro? That movie is from a mask. It's not from... What's that movie name? Smile. The movie with red in it, dog. It's not it. We're going.
I sweepstakes on my life, just want a bitch when time for fuck. Boss a nut, then zip it up, me got a milli in the trunk. One is thing just like a skunk, so tell some artists rip it up. Kill him dead, him thinking tough, but in music in the dump, the pen smooth.
Some artists, boy, I think them tough. Kill him dead into me music in the dust. How will my talk? Is it such artists that this him in my talk? Come on.
Tell some artists rip it up, kill him dead, him thinking tough, but in music in the dump, the pen smooth. You see the be my big gate, never do a dub plate, big unit, new shape, skull I believe in this in.
You see the beamer? You see the big gate? Never do a dub plate. The man make you know where you get his money from, you know. He might ask something about gal. He says, dog says something about people, gal, who don't listen for it. Alright, danger say what Mozart bad. But the man say something why you alright, we're gonna listen to what dog say, you see me? The man say, yo, you see the bend smooth, the big beamer, the big gate. You don't see it, never do a dub play, that make no sense. I mean, get him food from me. Like up life, gang, let's get it.
And now she gone to the bank, straight wings, might take a job, and not take a loss. When I've done the rent due, plus my gal need her nails done. Now when they be my move, it a fuck up a year's drop. We do this.
Remember the days me nah none rent due, I mean, I want to nails done. Hey, come in.
When I've done the rent due, plus my gal need her nails done. Now when they be my move, it a fuck up a year's drop. We do this shit for true, give a fuck where you hear, but got a bitch in the coupe, can't see her, she face down. She just a laugh.
Man say, yo, I don't care hear about me, have a bitch in the coupe, you know. You can't see her because she face down, you know, man.
Got a bitch in the coupe, can't see her, she face down. She just a laugh like me funny. She said she love fuck man and scam money. Said she woulda fucking Skippa but me kinda in a hurry. She take a sip out of the liquor and I look on that money.
Come in now, man, easy now, man. She want you to have you in a hurry, you know. All up on the fast life, you see me? Take a sip on this.
Fuck it, your bitch, or suck it. She said she...
Wait, what? Wait, danger. What? Wait, weird. Skipper, what you just say? Skipper, what did you just say? Fire for you, another. Fire for you. Let me play this shit again, Skipper. If me play this shit again, Skipper, and that you said, dog, you have to come down now, you know. You have to come down now, bro. You have to come. What did you just say, Skipper? Skipper, you know, your whole career, we there support you, dog. You just bad tune, bad lyrics. Why you gonna do it now? Why? Why, dog? We have to go, why you youth? Wait, me hear that I say.
Take a sip out of the liquor and I look on that money. Hey, damn, fuck it, your bitch, or suck it. She says she love on me, I roll, I got the Glock in public.
You do what now? You do what now? Wait, if I don't do to me, girl, me not be there because yo, me not. What? Nah, you're low, bro. You're low, Skipper.
Money says she woulda fucking Skipper, but me kinda in a hurry. She take a sip out of the liquor and I look on that money. Hey, damn, fuck it, your bitch, or suck it. She says she love on me, I roll, I got the Glock in public. Before the killers, I'm
Nah, yeah, that him say.
Your bitch, or suck it. She says she.
What? I need captions. I need captions, bro. Help me out here, YouTube.
And money. Hey, damn, fuck it, your bitch, or suck it. She says she love on me.
YouTube said to. Said damn. Fuck it. Your bitch. Suck it. Oh, okay. Weird. Okay, me get it. You might say, damn, your bitch, me fuck it. Your bitch, suck it. Alright, okay. Woo! Think him say, he put on me after that. Weird, okay. Weird. YouTube there. Weird. We just want to make sure, you know. We have to turn on the caption for this, you know, gang. Hey, weird.
I look on that money. Hey, damn, fuck it, your bitch, or suck it. She says she love on me, I roll, I got the Glock in.
Man, if you don't say me, you know, I must, you know. And that is real. And that is really say. Lava splash. The one that fix up Skipper. Yeah, man. YouTube, alright, but YouTube can help you now, cause damn, your bitch, fuck it. Your bitch, suck it. She said she loved me. Alright.
Public, full of killers, I'm a feeding, that ain't no discussion. Shoes them cost like 1,300, man can sign it on the bucket. After the show, I'm running to her fan. She know the code, but she no listen to my song. She off the fuck, cause she there, wait too long. Remember days when I'm done. The rent due, plus my gal need her nails done.
Come in, man.
When they be my move, it
Thunderbolt and fireball, easy, you know.
Yes, jump, we do this shit for true. Give a fuck where you hear, but got a bitch in the coupe. Can't see her, she face down. She just a laugh like me funny. She says she love fuck man and scam money. Says she woulda fucking Skipper, but me kinda in a hurry.
Let's get it.
Take a sip out of the liquor and I look on that money.
Come on. Outside.
Nighttime.
No lie, Skipper. The one the sticky man.
Boy. Nighttime.
The one the sticky.
As a marketing consultant, there's no better way to stay connected with your clients
Skipper. Yeah, man.
and leads than
Yeah, man, that's a vibe, though. You see me I say? But the one part there, kind of low it out. Yeah, man. The one that kind of low it out, Skipper, man. How you do? Yeah, you see what you did, though? Better your name did better do, because you do, it can't. It's gotta be a mistake. So, engineer not hear that. The engineer not hear that. I don't think of that today, actually, man. I've got to listen to that one the keenly. You see me? I've got to listen to that one the keenly, man. Because we can't just skip that, can't do that. Eh? Can't do that. That's crazy, gang. But songs are vibe, man. Mozart, Dark Snapton and shit. It's very creative. You see me like the piano sound. He acting like he actually playing the keys for real. You see me survive. Yeah man, they might try to sabotage your career because the engineer have to hear that. You have to hear that. You have to mix and master the song. So you have to hear that play a bunch of times, bro. You see, they have to play before you ever release that shit, nigga. So unless you intentionally meant to say that shit, you see me? Or maybe me just not, you know, or there was a pause. Cause I think you say, yo, bitch, suck it. You see me? I think he said me. But the pause is so like him say me. Me not lie, the one the sticky Skippa. You see me? But bad tune though. Skippa keep doing your thing, bro. I hope that's not what you said. And also some lyrical breakdown artists and reviewer gonna break that shit down. We gonna find out. You see? Say yeah, why feel see I can't hear nothing else. Damn. Yeah man, me know say I scrutinize the one there, you know. For me say yeah, why people don't sit down, play this shit in the car and scrutinize that shit. Damn, Skippa. Why dog? Yeah man, Skippa, you gotta go hit up an engineer for that shit, dog. Yeah, even if I make a mistake, the engineer is supposed to catch that shit for you, man, nigga. You see, I say I help you out. I try to sabotage your thing. But yeah man, big up yourself, Skippa. Mad tune.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.